What's this? This is the brand new Sungrow 22kW AC electric vehicle charger. But today, we're not just showcasing the charger, it's the intelligent integration behind it that's the real game changer, the Sungrow iHomeManager. Now, we work with solar businesses who install Sungrow inverters and batteries every day, and there is a lot of interest in an EV charger that integrates smoothly with these systems. So let's start with the charger itself. Right out of the box, the charger has a sleek, compact design that matches Sungrow's range of inverters and batteries. It doesn't just integrate with Sungrow products from a technical standpoint, it also does it aesthetically. I've seen quite a few EV chargers and they can come in all shapes and sizes. This charger is definitely one of the better looking ones I've seen. It's rated IP65, it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor installations, and with an IK10 mechanical impact rating, the highest possible, it's built tough. It is tested to withstand some pretty hefty impacts. This is important if installing in a public place or commercial sites where they may be more prone to accidental damage. And for those concerned about safety, there is an integrated 6 mA DC fault current detection, overload protection, and ground fault monitoring all built in as standard, providing a high level of protection for both users and the vehicle. The charger comes with an integrated 5-meter cable and a Type 2 connector, which is the standard for EVs in Australia and Europe. The rest of the world is starting to jump on board too. Sungrow does plan to upgrade the cable to a 7-meter version in the near future, offering even greater flexibility. Now, it's compatible with both single-phase and 3-phase grid supplies, delivering up to 32 amps per phase. That's just over 7 kilowatt per phase. So worst case scenario, assuming you have a single-phase grid supply or a car that has a single-phase onboard charger, you could expect to charge a typical EV from empty to full in around 8 hours, making it perfect for overnight charging at home or in a commercial fleets where the car might stay parked across work all day. Charging time will be even faster when connected to a 3-phase supply and if the car also has a 3-phase onboard charger. Now, it also supports RFID authentication and OCPP 1.6J protocols, making it easy to integrate with external billing or charging management platforms. And this isn't just limited to commercial applications. This is especially valuable as increasing numbers of Australian homeowners are switching to electricity retailers who offer wholesale market pricing. These providers, such as Amber Electric, are using intelligent algorithms to automate load control in your home based on real-time electricity pricing. And this includes turning loads on during negative price events, effectively paying you to consume electricity, or alternatively, reducing your consumption and exporting stored battery power to the grid during price spikes, generously rewarding you for supporting grid stability when it's needed most. Now, having a smart energy system where everything communicates seamlessly will position you well for this into the future. And that is where the iHomeManager comes into the mix. The iHomeManager is a powerful, flexible energy meter and control hub, enabling seamless integration between Sungrow hybrid inverters, batteries, and the AC EV charger. Now, it connects easily via Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or RS485 communication, making it versatile for any site, whether it's a modern network-equipped home or challenging installation where the products may be installed away from the main switchboard. Sungrow provides an external antenna with a decent amount of cable attached, allowing you to mount this outside on the switchboard for better Wi-Fi coverage. And as it uses a generic antenna terminal, you could always substitute the antenna with a higher gain version if needed. Commissioning is incredibly streamlined. Once all the devices are installed, the installers simply scan the QR code on the front of the iHomeManager, and using the iSolarCloud app, they'll firstly get it connected to the local network. Once connected, it will scan for all the nearby Sungrow devices, and you can pick and choose which ones you want to link to this iHomeManager. And if connecting via Wi-Fi, it can even share the network with the other devices, saving the hassle of connecting them all individually. This process takes just a few minutes. The iHomeManager also has a digital output for load control, allowing you to automate energy usage such as turning hot water systems on or off using excess solar energy without needing any third-party devices. And when paired with the Sungrow hybrid inverter and battery, you unlock advanced smart charging modes accessible via Sungrow's iSolarCloud app. Users can easily select from fast charging, eco and fast charging, or a full economical mode, optimizing energy use from solar, battery storage, or the grid based on their needs and charging mode applied. For instance, if you'd like to charge your car using 100% green energy, consider selecting the Eco and Economic charging mode. Under this setting, solar production prioritizes supplying your household energy needs first, with any surplus then charging your home battery. If there's any excess solar production beyond this, or once the battery is full, it will be used to charge the car. In this mode, grid power isn't used at all, ensuring your car only charges from energy produced by your Sungrow system. Additionally, it prevents your home battery from discharging into your car battery, which is a request that often comes up. Now, each charging mode has a toggle called purchased energy. This allows you to turn on or off using grid power for charging. This would be useful if you primarily want to use only solar, but maybe going on a long trip tomorrow and you just want to get the car charged no matter what. I should also point out that the iHomeManager has a provision for additional CTs to be connected, meaning that even if you have a third-party solar inverter on site, it can measure the production and make intelligent decisions on charging based on excess solar. All of the charging modes are easily accessible through the Sungrow iSolar Cloud app, where it will combine monitoring and control of your complete Sungrow energy system in one easy-to-use interface. And you also get the benefit of a single point of contact for support. Considering Sungrow has more than 80 staff based in Australia and multiple ways to get in touch, you'll struggle to find a similar product ecosystem as well supported as this is here in Australia. And Sungrow is the world's most bankable inverter brand, and last year in Australia, they had the #1 market share for inverters, both residentially and commercially. Yet Sungrow has barely scratched the surface of their capabilities in the EV charging space. They've already teased their upcoming vehicle-to-grid solutions, including a DC EV charging add-on module for their hybrid inverters, which we expect to see officially launched later this year. Whether you're integrating EV charging into your home, looking for commercial fleet solutions, or aiming to create a truly intelligent, integrated energy system, Sungrow's AC charger with the iHomeManager offer unmatched value, flexibility, and innovation. We've been testing these units at our HQ for the last 9 months and they haven't missed a beat. If you're a homeowner or business looking to get one of these systems installed, reach out to your local Sungrow installer today. If you're a solar business keen to partner with an authorised Sungrow wholesaler, click the link below to connect with one of the team at Supply Partners.